Hey girl, hey, we are going to do a holiday edition of like a little wrap challenge. It's gonna be so much fun, and look at you, little gangsta wrap up.
She has an advantage because of her shirt. It's really not fair.
It's giving me confidence, I have to say. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. So I am the timekeeper. They have 2 minutes to wrap these boxes. They have to cut the wrapping paper, all the good stuff, tape it down, and they're gonna be blindfolded with our fabulous little beanie.
And also you have an advantage because you're a mom. You wrap gifts. I don't wrap gifts, really.
Actually, I just like have like a big bag. Like I put them in. I'm like, Santa showed up.
Okay,
so,
cool. Awesome.
Okay,
this was my first job of wrapping gifts. Okay.
Oh my, really?
Yeah.
Oh man.
As a kid.
Nope, not for me. Okay, and then I also have the tape, so I'm gonna hand them tape because you know that's probably, it's just really messy whenever you do that. So, okay, don't forget we're using sharp objects. Be careful.
These are adult scissors.
Okay, you have 2 minutes. You want to get ready? Put your whole beanies on, girl. They're gonna cover their eyeballs.
I can kind of see through the bottom, so.
Okay, and no cheating.
No cheating.
We're gonna trust Sid and Lindsay not to.
Okay.
You're good. Okay, ready and go. They have 2 minutes. This is so funny already. Also, I'm going to judge the best gift. Ooh, cake that's wrapped.
Is it judge?
Yeah.
Take.
I didn't give this to you the right way.
I'm just trying to make mine look pretty. Take, please.
Tape. Tape.
This is not enjoyable.
I'm trying to hand you guys tape so it won't get all folded up. Tape. Tape. See, wasn't that? Oh, what? Oh, tape. Tape. You know this? Alright. So you know how much I love you, but I really kind of think that we're just gonna put on this.
See, I feel like mine looks really good. I feel like it looks really smooth. Does it?
It
Nice
looks
to
so
work for
smooth.
insurance. Thank you.
So smooth.
I'm just gonna kind of leave mine.
Can I undo my hat?
I feel like, are you done?
Yeah.
You beat the 2 minutes. Yeah, I knew that was too long. Yes.
Is it up?
Are you
Tape.
still going? You still have the 2 seconds, so you're good.
Tape.
Okay. We're gonna do another one for good measure.
Lindsay, it's a gift. It's for you.
I can't wait.
Do you need another?
I just feel confident.
I feel like you need one more.
Okay.
One more piece of tape.
You need all the confidence.
Time's up.
Perfect timing.
Oh.
Okay.
All right. So this unanimous decision.
Wait. Okay. We should like argue it for a minute.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So mine is
Artistic?
Unique.
yes, and it's just like kind of a piece of art on the floor. So if you're wanting to like decorate around a Christmas tree, I feel like mine is just a little more aesthetically pleasing.
All right. So Lindsay, do you want to
How did you do
point?
that?
I felt my way around the situation.
Me too. Does it look good from the front?
No.
Okay.
I don't think it looks good from any angle.
Like yours is like the gifts that like, you know, like whenever you're cleaning up the wrapping paper.
Oh.
Like,
And then if I put it in the trash can.
yeah, and then you're like, oh, there's one gift left, we forgot. Like yours would actually get thrown away.
Oh shoot. You're right.
Because it looks like it's like kind of an unwrapped.
All right.
Well, yours is like a toddler tried really hard
And
did a pretty good job.
And did a really good job. Okay, so ladies, post your comments and votes below of who you think should be the winner. And I mean, you know, if you need any more holiday tips for wrapping, stay tuned.
Wait, can I just say one more thing? Mine's really easy to unwrap because you just can go and unwrap it, and you have to do the whole process.
What's the random tape on the bottom?
No, I would do hers just like this. Gotta rip it open. That's the best part.
That's
work.
That's the best part about it.
Ta-da!
Alright, whatever. Well,
It's clear who won. one here.
Oh my goodness, ladies. So hope you had fun and this video was fun for you to watch and enjoy. So make sure that you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll bring you more madness like this coming soon.